I was asked a while back how I get my rabbits into the carriers, like when I need to get them to the vet. And of course now he's going to come out of the carrier. But the long and the short of it is that I keep a carrier out at all times. I don't just bring it out when we're going to do something, like go to the vet. I keep it out at all times. I put treats in it like there. And so they get used to it, and they come in and out of it all the time. They'll sit on top of it and go to sleep on top of it and all sorts of things like that. Trying to get him to come back on the screen, but so that it's not a thing that they only associate with, you know, traumatic things like going to the vet, that kind of deal. So that's basically the long and the short of it. See, sometimes you'll move the door, but basically that is it. So I hope that helps you. I think it would work for other animals. Say you have a cat or a dog. If you have a big enough one, and just keep it around when they're not going somewhere. Just let them get used to it. And I think it'll help make things easier for when you're actually going to the vet. All right. Have a good night.